Here on Bluebird Farm, we're getting ready to start the fire up in our furnace to smoke our bacon, and we take our lighter that we gather off the property here, and we bust it up into smaller pieces. And these pieces we take and we use them to get the oak wood going here to get our fire started. And hopefully we can get close enough in here that maybe you can see how we put the lighter wood down in the smoker. You can always tell when you got the good lighter. It lights up really quick. We're using red oak here today. In our stash over here to the side, you'll be able to see that there's a good bit of wood stacked there. Here on the farm, we try to not let anything go to waste. As the limbs break out of our trees, the red oaks and stuff, we gather those limbs to make our smoking wood out of, and as we trim our apple trees, we also try to use our apple wood to smoke with, because a lot of people don't realize that when you buy a lot of this wood in the stores, it's coming off of trees that's been sprayed with chemicals, and we don't want those chemicals to be used in any of our meat that we smoke, so therefore we save our own wood while we're trimming our own trees. We're going to get this wood piled up in here, see if we can get us a good bed of coals going so we can begin our smoking process.